In today's video, we're going to be looking at a hidden protected monument that dates back to the Roman times. We're going to head down this slope here, and as we go down we can see on our right hand side here the remains of a Roman bastion which was part of a defensive fort. Now this was built in around AD 120, but as you can see this has been rebuilt several times, and what we can see now is the building bricks of medieval times. This bastion is pretty big, and there's some more of these as well in the gardens behind that. But what we're interested today in looking at is this 2nd century part of the wall, which is hidden here in this London Wall car park. And the car park and London Wall Road itself was built in the 1950s after the Second World War. This area was heavily bombed and redeveloped, and in building this car park they came across an amazing discovery, and that was a very well preserved part of the original Roman wall dating back nearly 2,000 years now. Now you can find this, it's about a 5-minute walk into the car park. It's in Bay 52, so we're going to walk up a little way, and I'm going to cut the video in, and we'll find ourselves near Bay 52. And here we are. There's some work going on the day I was looking at this. I think they're building a new viewing gallery, taking the mesh down and building a perspex screen around it. And this part of the wall is pretty unique in this part of the city because it's so well preserved. It also has no medieval additions to it, and this side of the wall here we're looking at would have been the interior facing wall, and this would have been the exterior facing wall, and it's a little bit more damaged than the other side and a bit more ragged. But the reason we can tell it's original Roman, because if you look here we can see these red tiles which the Romans used for strength and stabilisation, and these tiles would have been worked into the Kentish ragstone, and you can see the tiles again at the top of the wall here, although the wall would have been about 20 feet and 6 metres high in Roman times. And if you like to visit the car park or other parts of the ancient Roman wall, there's a map here of where it once stood, and the red circle is where we were today.